Russian military plane vanishes from radar over Syria. A Russian military aircraft with 14 people on board has disappeared from radar after flying over Syria, Russia's defense ministry says. Connection has been lost with the crew of a Russian Il-20 plane over the Mediterranean Sea, the ministry said. Contact was lost at about 2300 hours local time, 2000 hours GMT, on Monday, it added. Russia began military strikes in Syria in 2015 after a request from President Bashar al-Assad, who has stayed in power despite 7 years of civil war. The conflict has so far killed more than 350,000 people. The incident on Monday reportedly occurred about 35 kilometers, 22 miles, from the Syrian coast as the Russian Il-20 aircraft was returning to Russia's Hmyr air base near the northwestern city of Latakia. The trace of the Il-20 on flight control radars disappeared during an attack by 4 Israeli F-16 jets on Syrian facilities in Latakia province, Russia's TASS news agency reported. At the same time, Russian air control radar systems detected rocket launches from the French frigate Auvergne, which was located in that region. The fate of the aircraft and those on board is not yet known. A search and rescue operation is underway, coordinated through personnel located at the Hmyr base, the ministry added. Hmyr is Russia's main base for airstrikes on rebel groups in Syria, strikes that have enabled President Assad's forces to recover much lost ground in the last year. Russia said it had increased security at Hmyr in response to a foiled drone attack on the base just days after reports that rebel shelling had damaged several planes.